Hey everyone, welcome back to modestmoney.com's YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Unusual Whales, a unique and powerful platform that's making waves in the trading community. In the world of trading, having the right tools and insights can make all the difference. Unusual Whales is definitely one of these tools I think is worth considering. This platform specializes in providing comprehensive options flow data, giving traders an edge by highlighting unusual and significant market activities. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Unusual Whales offers a wealth of information to help you make informed decisions. Unusual Whales isn't just about options flow. They provide an array of features designed to enhance your trading strategy, from detailed alerts and advanced filters to educational resources and real-time data. This platform is built to support your trading journey from start to finish. One of the standout features of Unusual Whales is its ability to track and analyze large, unusual options trades. This can help you spot market movements before they happen and make strategic decisions based on real-time data. The platform also offers customizable alerts, so you never miss an important trade signal. But why should you consider Unusual Whales? What sets it apart from other trading platforms? Stick around as I dive into its key features, user experiences, and why it might be the perfect tool for your trading arsenal. If you're intrigued, don't forget to check the link in the description to save 5% off your subscription costs. Let's get started. Before I get into my opinions, I would like to share the opinions of other reviewers so that you can gain a more well-rounded perspective. Unusual Whales has an overall solid score of 4.1 out of 5 in the Apple App Store. Let's dig into some individual reviews to learn more. This reviewer clearly likes the service, giving it 5 stars. They bring up an important point, which is not all were winners, and to aim for singles, not home runs. If any service claims to only recommend winners, I would run, as I couldn't believe such far-fetched claims. Here's another satisfied user that brings up a point that I should discuss. For the best user experience, you should access Unusual Whales from your computer. Their mobile app works fine and is constantly under improvement, but the website will deliver an overall better functionality. This isn't just true for Unusual Whales. It is true for most stock research services. Since the data and visuals are so rich, a small screen on a mobile device usually prevents the users from accessing the full experience. Okay, now that we've covered some other users' experiences, let's get into some platform specifics. When you log into Unusual Whales, the user-friendly dashboard immediately stands out, designed to streamline your trading experience and provide comprehensive tools at your fingertips. You see a lot of large, clearly labeled buttons, which I think makes site navigation a breeze. The Follow Whales Portfolios section lets you track the trades of U.S. Congress members and prominent investors. This feature provides valuable insights into market movements based on high-profile trades. Next, the Options Profit Calculator helps you visualize your trades with pre-built strategies. This tool is essential for understanding potential profits and losses before you commit to any trade. The Live Options Flow feature gives you access to fully filterable data feeds and historical options data, ensuring you stay ahead with real-time market trends. For the latest updates, the Live News section offers financial news, market buzz, and analyst reports. Staying informed about current events can significantly impact your trading decisions. To analyze your trades and investment performance, the Portfolio Analyst provides powerful tools to optimize your trading strategies. The stock and options screeners allow you to create and monitor watch lists for options, crypto, equities, and bonds. This versatile tool keeps track of various markets and opportunities. If you're looking to practice without financial risk, the paper trading feature lets you simulate any trade, perfect for refining your skills. The live charting section offers dozens of integrated technical analysis indicators and price action alerts, providing a detailed view of market movements. Finally, Unusual Whales boasts over 50 research tools to help you discover trade opportunities and monitor your positions effectively. Overall, the Unusual Whales dashboard is designed to enhance your trading strategies with its comprehensive and user-friendly interface, making it a valuable tool for traders at all levels. Now let's come back up here and click on Follow Whales Portfolios. You can follow the trades of U.S. Congresspeople. Can you believe that they are allowed to participate in insider trading? Tools like this help retail investors see what they are doing to try to find some opportunities. Peter Welch can't even turn a profit with inside information. That is sad. Wow, Stephen Lynch with 766% return on his portfolio. I don't follow politics much, so I don't know most of these people, but you get the point. You might be able to get some insider trading hints from following these Congress people. Okay, next, if you come up here to Option Data, your first choice will be Flow Feed. Let's click on that. The Flow Feed section provides a comprehensive look at live options data, offering insights into market activities in real time. You can see detailed information such as the ticker, the option side, call or put, the strike price, expiration date, and premium. This feature allows you to stay ahead of market trends by tracking significant movements and unusual trading volumes. In the flow feed, trades are listed with vital details like bid-ask spreads, spot prices, and volume. The flow status indicates whether the trade is bullish, bearish, or neutral, helping you quickly gauge market sentiment. This real-time data feed is crucial for making informed decisions and capitalizing on market opportunities. Additionally, you can filter the data by various parameters such as time, price, and ticker to tailor the feed to your specific needs. This level of customization ensures you get the most relevant information to support your trading strategy. All right, the next feature I want to check out is the Hottest Contracts tab. This section is perfect for staying on top of the most active options contracts in real time. By clicking on Hottest Contracts, you'll see a detailed list of options with the highest activity, sorted by various metrics like volume, open interest, and more. The interface here is incredibly user-friendly, showing you the ticker, contract details, and essential trading metrics. You can quickly filter through the data to find the most promising trading opportunities based on the latest market movements. One of the standout features is the ability to see how far out of the money, OTM, the contracts are, along with their average price change and daily percentage change. This makes it easier to gauge the momentum and volatility of specific options. This tool is invaluable for traders looking to make quick, informed decisions. Whether you're a day trader or looking to adjust your long-term strategy, the Hottest Contracts tab provides the insights you need to stay ahead of the market trends. Now, let's move on and explore some more advanced tools available on Unusual Whales. I like this feature under Market Data called Market Tide. When you click on it, you're greeted with a comprehensive overview of market trends. This gives you a quick snapshot of the overall market movement. The main section displays a detailed graph, which visually represents the net put and call premiums, alongside the trading volume. This graph is instrumental in the understanding market sentiment and the flow of capital between different options contracts. The yellow line shows the net call premium, the red line, the net put premium, and the green area represents the trading volume. On the right side, there's a list of the top tickers by net premium. This is a fantastic tool for quickly identifying which stocks are seeing the most action and potentially indicating strong trading opportunities. Below the graph, the sector flow section categorizes data by sector, showing each sector's last price, percentage change, volume, and premium. This is perfect for spotting trends within specific sectors and understanding where the money is flowing in the market. At the bottom, the market seasonality chart provides historical performance data by month, helping you understand seasonal trends and make more informed trading decisions. This Market Tide feature is incredibly user-friendly and offers a wealth of information at a glance, making it an essential tool for any trader looking to stay ahead of market trends. The last part I want to cover in detail is over here under Unusual Tools, and then click on Education. Although known more for its trade alerts and order flow tools, Unusual Whales also offers some quality educational content. One of their standout features is the Options, Markets, and Unusual Whales Tools Breakdown 101 course. This course is designed to help users navigate the options and equities markets using Unusual Whales tools, and it's completely free. The course covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of options trading to advanced strategies. These lessons are categorized by skill level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. making it easy for users to find the right content for their needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, Unusual Whales has something for everyone. All right, I've covered a lot about unusual whales, so let's wrap things up. Personally, I find unusual whales to be a game changer in the trading space. The trade alerts and options order flow tools are really the backbone of this platform, giving you real time data and insights that can make a huge difference in your trading strategy. What I love most about Unusual Whales is how user friendly the dashboard is. The clean, intuitive design makes it easy to navigate and find the information you need. Whether you're tracking the trades of prominent investors using the options profit calculator or keeping up with live options flow, the platform provides a seamless experience. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, I highly recommend checking out Unusual Whales. And don't forget, there's a special discount available through the link in the description. You can save 5% on your subscription costs, which is a great deal for all the features you get. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and reviews. Happy trading.